Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkins. 1. Check packaging. Most sanitary napkins in the market are non-resellable. Those packages give bacteria a perfect chance to breed inside. Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin uses peel and reseal packaging. We use quality aluminum foil, which is damp-proof and mildew-proof, even if it is put in a bathroom. 2. Check the wrapping. Most female friends may put all sorts of stuff in their handbags, including purse, keys, cosmetics, snacks, and sanitary napkins. In this case, individual sanitary napkin without good wrapping can carry virus bacteria, which makes us get infections easily. Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin is wrapped and sealed in quality wrapping, which prevents bacterial contamination and makes you carefree. 3. Touch the surface layer. Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin is made out of high-quality cotton, non-woven fabric, which is soft, comfortable, and skin-friendly. The polyporous technique ensures instant absorption and prevents leakage and backflow. 4. Absorption test. We compare Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin with an internationally well-known brand and another Chinese popular brand. From the right-hand side, we have Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin, international brand and Chinese brand. We have prepared 3 beakers with 150 milliliter of colored solution in each of them. Here is a 50 milliliter syringe and some white tissues. Absorption test, 50 milliliter. We open the wrappings of the sanitary napkins and spread and stick them on the table. Then we inject 50 milliliter of colored solution on each napkin surface with the syringe to compare their absorption capacity. First, we inject 50 milliliter of colored solution on Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin. What we can see is the napkin absorbs the colored solution instantly without any leakage. Now, let's take a look at this international brand. When we inject about 40 milliliters of colored solution, side leakage occurs. When we inject 50 milliliters of colored solution on this Chinese brand sanitary napkin, there's no side leakage, but we find water droplets on the surface layer. Its absorption is slow, and this will make you very uncomfortable. Now, we press the 3 sanitary napkins with a tissue, respectively. We find Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin is dry and clean, while the global well-known sanitary napkin is wet with leakage, and this Chinese popular sanitary napkin is wet a bit without leakage. Now, let's put tissue on the surface of the 3 sanitary napkins and press. We can see that there's no stain on the tissue covering Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin. It's still dry and clean. The tissue covering the international brand is soaking wet. The tissue covering the Chinese brand is mildly stained. Absorption test, 100 milliliter. Inject another 50 milliliter of colored solution on the 3 sanitary napkins, respectively. We can see Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin is still absorbing rapidly without any side leakage. And this international brand sanitary napkin is soaking wet when we inject 25 milliliter more of colored solution. We can see this sanitary napkin is out due to its poor absorption. Now, we inject 50 milliliter of colored solution into this Chinese brand sanitary napkin. We can see it absorbs okay without leakage. Let's press these two napkins with tissue. We can see the tissue covering Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin is slightly stained. Well, this Chinese brand sanitary napkin is soaking wet. Destructive test, 150 milliliter. Now we come to destructive test. We tear off the surface layer of both sanitary napkins, then take the polymer absorbent layer out and put them into the beakers to see if they can absorb the remaining 15 milliliters solution. First, we take out absorbent layers of Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin. We can see these beautiful polymer particles. Now we put them into the beaker and wait for a while. We can see the remaining solution is fully absorbed. When we place the beaker upside down, no solution comes out. Then we take out absorbent layers of the Chinese brand sanitary napkin and put them into the beaker. We can see that the materials enveloping the polymer absorbent layer has been completely dissolved and some solution is left unabsorbed. So after this test and comparison, you'll be able to tell which brand is the best. It is Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin, isn't it? Sanitary napkin of poor absorption capacity makes you feel very uncomfortable and susceptible to bacterial infections. Moreover, embarrassing accident could happen when you have heavy menstrual flow. Waterproof test of PE breathable film. Leakage of sanitary napkin has always been a big concern for women. Now we do the waterproof experiment with a SmiLife sanitary napkin for you to have a better knowledge of its properties. We take the PE breathable film layer off, pour some water into a glass, then cover the glass with this film layer and fasten it with a rubber band. Place the glass upside down. No water spills out. This tells us that the PE breathable film layer is waterproof. Breathability test of the PE film is also very important for a sanitary napkin to be breathable. The PE breathable film of Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin is made with laser micro-perforation technique, which allows the film to be waterproof while breathable. We pour some hot water into a glass and cover it with this film layer. Then we put an empty glass on top of it upside down. In 10 to 30 seconds, we can see the empty glass gets cloudy with water vapor. This proves that the PE breathable film of Greenwood SmiLife Sanitary Napkin is breathable, well, waterproof.